and it's better than ever. Meet the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63, the ultimate combination of luxury, off-road dominance, and raw power. Whether you're tearing up the highway or conquering rugged terrain, this beast is built to impress. Stick around as we dive deep into its powerful V8 engine, advanced tech, rugged exterior, and, of course, the price tag. Let's get started. The 2025 G63 maintains its iconic boxy silhouette but gets a few refinements. The Panamericana AMG grille up front looks meaner than ever, flanked by adaptive HD LED headlights that pierce through the night. The massive 22-inch AMG forged wheels, widened wheel arches, and the signature side-mounted exhaust scream pure AMG aggression. And if you want exclusivity, Mercedes offers a matte green manufacturer finish, making sure you stand out wherever you go. Step inside, and it's pure luxury meets performance. The 2025 AMG G63 features a fully digital 12.3-inch driver's display, seamlessly paired with a 12.8-inch MBUX infotainment screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while the Burmester 3D surround sound system transforms every drive into a concert experience. The AMG Performance steering wheel, wrapped in Nappa leather, ensures maximum grip, while the carbon fiber and aluminum trims give the interior a race-inspired feel. And let's not forget the 64-color ambient lighting, turning this rugged SUV into a rolling luxury lounge. Under the hood, the 2025 G63 packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now equipped with a 48V mild hybrid system. This powerhouse produces a staggering 585 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, launching this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. The AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus AWD system ensures maximum grip, while the adaptive AMG Ride Control Plus suspension provides a smooth yet aggressive driving experience. Whether you're blasting through city streets or tackling rough terrain, this SUV can handle it all. Mercedes has taken steps toward efficiency by adding a mild hybrid system, which boosts power while improving fuel economy. The new system helps the G63 achieve 14 mpg in the city and 18 mpg on the highway, a small but noticeable improvement. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 starts at $183,000, but with premium options like carbon fiber trims, custom paint, and the AMG Edition 1 package, the price easily climbs beyond $210,000. If you're comparing, the Lamborghini Urus Performante and the Range Rover SV are close competitors, but nothing beats the G-Wagon's rugged luxury and off-road prowess. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 isn't just an SUV, it's a status symbol, an off-road beast, and a luxury powerhouse all in one. If you want an SUV that commands respect on the road while offering next-level comfort, this is it. Would you pick the G63 over its rivals? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car and bike updates. See you in the next one.